YouTube, what's going on? Soul Review Kicks here, back with another unboxing. A very overdue unboxing. Purchased an item from Supreme weeks ago. I received everything I purchased. I even received everything I purchased from drop after that drop. And a couple days ago, or actually 2 days ago, I received my package. Finally. I don't know if everybody else experienced the same issue, but let's get into this one. All right, as you see, I've opened it up. I'm not angry. I am kind of disappointed because I actually wanted it so sooner than when I got it. But hey, it's here. They made right. They made me think I didn't have it. I thought they canceled the order, but I guess, yeah, I don't know. And today we have, oh yes, about time. Oh yes, you see it. Get rid of that. Ooh, you see it. She has arrived. Apparently I emailed customer support and they told me that orders were being processed and the order that they were received, and that there was a bunch of orders and that my order would soon be delivered, and this was weeks ago. So yeah, let's get into this bad boy. As you see, it always comes with the stickers. I wish they would have threw me some extras, for the weight, but it's fine. It has arrived. Let's check it out. I'm not too sure what the holdup was. I know I paid for it, but yeah. There she is. Ooh. Oh yeah, beautiful hat. Beautiful hat. There she is. World famous 94 with the SpongeBob hit. Oof. SpongeBob on the side. Panel 2. Ooh, wow. Let's see that. That's beautiful. Jeff Hamilton logo. Fake Supreme logo, I believe. Beautiful. Subtel, another Supreme brand fake logo they put on the hat. pretty nice though. Like I said, it matches the jacket. Oh yeah, that's pretty sweet on the inside. Let's take a look at that. Oh yeah. Pretty sweet. So now I finally have my set, got my hat, white long sleeve, the black long sleeve, check, and the best part. Now the jacket. That's right. So I just wanted to fill you guys in, do a quick little unboxing review on the hat. I didn't get a chance to do it, but beautiful. Finally got it. This is gonna go hard. All right, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video content, if you guys have any comments or anything, please feel free. like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys on the next one.